Dan kok hi.
Ready for my room? We're at the top now.
Yeah.
Wow. Smile.
I'm feeling cold. I love you. I love you.
There's lots of scarves there if you want.
Yeah. But how much are they?
I don't know.
I don't know. Bromo. Wait.
We are now waiting for the sun to rise. We are shortly going to go up to the viewpoint and then find a good spot to see the sunrise.
No, I don't want.
You don't want? It's hot there.
No, no. Our view. It's so beautiful. The sun is rising. It's almost like now, isn't it?
One thing. Now I'm feeling very sleepy. That's why I'm focused to anything. That's why I'm not taking photos. Sleepy, cold, all together.
Yeah, you're cold? Yeah? Deze, dat is erbij gehaald. Dat zie je wel.
Sorry. Ada turis-turis. The view was amazing. We are now going to head back to our jeep and then we're going to head to the crater by jeep and hopefully we're going to go into the crater and see what that's like. Lovey, turn around.
Oh,
Where are we heading, Biba?
crater.
Yeah, the Bromo crater.
Yeah,
It's so crazy here.
it is.
The temple
Yeah.
near the Hindu temple near the crater. It's very dusty. Mountains everywhere.
There is a rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow.
Yeah.
So cool. That temple, it looked said it was a Hindu temple.
See, it's up there.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm feeling hungry.
Do you want a snack?
No. All I see.
Up we go to the top of the volcano, into the crater. So cool, isn't it? Scary. Wow. Scary sight inside a volcano. Is that steam from the lava? So scary. We're at an active volcano, just looking into it. It's so scary. Very, very scary. Mount Bromo crater. Wow.
After him.
Wow. Look at that view. That's unreal. Wow.
If you want, you can have it.
Okay.
Go.
Wow.
Not everything is safe.
Ang lasin na kabitan mo rin mo dun.
Hey Biba. Mount Bromo is now completed. We've just finished going to the crater and now we're back at our jeeps. We're now going to go back to our hotel and then freshen up before we head to Kawah Ijen in an 8-hour jeep ride, and then we're going to get a few hours rest before again we have to wake up and go another jeep all the way up to the Kawah Ijen mountain.
In Seminyak, I will ask in a hotel person that is that possible to use their cooker.
Yeah.
I will ask.
We are on top of the mountain now. It's so cold, tiring, exhausting.
Cooking.
One of the most tiring journeys of my life, isn't it? This past few days. I wonder how the mountain will be. I don't know. I'm sure it'll be okay.
It will be, inshallah.
I'm just so exhausted today. That journey is so tiring, like a 2-hour journey. And before that 4-hour sleep, and then before that it was a 7-hour journey. Non-stop, it's too much. No sleep, no rest. I just can't wait to get to Bali now, isn't it? I love you. I love you so much. Do you have anything to say to my future self?
Never do this journey again. Never. Never ever. That's all I need to say.
We are waiting for our local guide, isn't it, Biba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have no energy to talk.
Yeah.
Yes.
Biba. Oh, that's
Okay.
Seeing the blue fire was unreal. It took us 4 hours to get to the blue fire, but we finally made it and managed to see it. There's only 2 places in the world you can see it, and this is the only one you're allowed to go to. It stings your eyes, and it was just amazing to see. We didn't stay there long, but wow, it was amazing.
Ik weet zelf ook donders goed dat ze... Dan kok ik ngantos sa tamu iya mana.
Yo ngantos tapi kan tamunya udah ubud enak gitu yo.
Ini sampai dah bobo kan pada ini sampai dah bobo.
Berapa? Banyak lu. Banyak gede.
Jadi kan berapa sih?
Buat tapi mau beli dosa boleh.
Ada jecer. Tak kuat loh.
I have no energy to go anywhere.
Ja, alles goed.
Too tired.
Ik heb ook ruzie gemaakt met de
Ja?
die grootste chicks.
Oh.
Ik weet dat sommige in de eerste file. Ja, die zaten voor mij. Die is excuse me. Excuse me. Excusez-moi.
Video.
Oh good, we're cold, we're gonna go down.
We are now heading down the mountain to go to our jeep, and then we're going to head to Bali. We're going to go there by boat, so let's see how that goes. For now, goodbye.